babies. Look outside. She's rubbing up against the camera. Look. Hey. We're supposed to look outside. The aspens are changing colors. They're so pretty all around the campground. There's a few of them here and there. We just got done doing rounds, and it is about 7:30 at night.
And it's cold at night.
It's pretty chilly up here. The wind is blowing. It's awesome. I've loved today. It's been kind of overcast and windy and chilly.
And the high was 64.
And I made some delicious, if I can get a shot of it here.
Oh, that way. There you go.
Delicious peach crisp. Fresh peaches from my sisters. My sister brought them up last weekend when they were here. And I made peach crisp when they were here, and it was really good. And I needed to use those peaches up because they were starting to get pretty soft. So I made some more today.
What's wrong with this picture? Huh?
Short sleeves.
Short sleeves. I got a hood on.
And he has his heater ready to go, just in case. Just in case the hoodie isn't warm enough.
And you're worried about your hair.
My hair's a mess.
Nom, 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 nom.
Yummy peach crisp.
Okay.
Delicious.
Mm.